Guys, welcome back. So today's video we're going to be doing how to make train whistles with your mouth. I've been doing this since when I was a little kid, so you think it's fake, but I'm actually not kidding. So first you want to do this with your mouth, and then do this. And another way is to do this. No, not like that. So you want to put your mouth like this, crook it down, and then make it like this, and then So the next tip is do this with your mouth, and then and another tip is to do with your hand. So first you want to do is just grapple onto this hand, the other hand, no, not, what the hell? Okay, and so you want to turn it down, and then put the side on your knuckles, and then put it like this. I think that was the dumbest tip, but peace out. Oh, another way is, sorry, my bad. Well, it's not kind of a train whistle, but it'll do. So this one's like, it's like with your mouth. But you want to sound like, I don't know, it doesn't really sound like a train whistle, but it'll do. The next one is, this one's pretty hard, but not like a train whistle, like. That one's gonna take practice though, so. What the okay, bye.